Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes, agree, pick close and tap to OK. And after that you could see information here about my battery health, and in my case battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information about our device battery, like the capacity, voltage and Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.